All right, welcome back. Finally got my replacement device in the mail. If you guys haven't been uh, keeping up, I got a replacement device from Apple because my first phone was defected. So this is the box that it came in, and the return label is on the other side, so I won't be showing that. So how do I open this box without? Man, I did not think this through before I came over here. Oh wait, I got a knife. Hopefully that stays standing, not fall over. Come on now. All right. What is this? What? Okay, so this was not what I was expecting. I was expecting an actual phone box. Well, that pisses me off. Here it is. Awesome. I don't have an actual IMEI number that matches that box, so that's cool. They want you to pay for this. All right, well, let's say right now that that's shit. Wow. Okay. This is not going how I wanted it to go. Okay. I'm going to draw the screen protector and stuff off camera. Just wanted to get it out. And then let's take a look at this first and foremost. Let me take this ring off. It's off. I was hoping for like another charger and shit, but I guess not. Whatever. All right. I don't see that one spot on the phone looking like how it looks on mine. What? My Casetify case just broke on this fucking case. Oh, oh my God. Okay, well, they're getting a phone call too now. That's awesome. Oh, oh my God. Okay. Yeah, it definitely doesn't look like that. So they are different. This one's the good one. And then this one Oh my God, it is so different. Okay, well, I'm done with this video. I'm already very upset. So, quick little update. Piece of shit case with this coming off, being attached to my phone still. Great, awesome, love it. So that's shit. Um, this unboxing experience has been shit. So, awesome. Bye.